It is indeed a blessing to the people of Mawlynrei under MAWRYNKNENG constituency to be able to receive household water connection after a long wait of almost 2 decades. Through the Jal Jeevan Mission scheme, 1,010 households in the area, that will include 7,474 individuals, will soon be receiving drinking water connections. On Monday, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, PRESTONE TYNSONG, had laid the foundation stone for the rupees 8 crore 60 lakh and 54,000 water supply scheme in the presence of MAWRYNKNENG MLA PYNIAID SYIEM, PHE Minister RENIKTON TONGKHAR, members of the DORBAR SHNONG, students and residents of Mawlynrei. The MLA of MAWRYNKNENG PYNIAID SYIEM, while addressing the gathering, said that the project under the JJM scheme is a dream come true for the people of Mawlynrei, who had been patiently looking forward to the implementation of the rupees 8 crore plus project. The MLA added that various other activities related to infrastructural development and welfare of farmers of the area are in the pipeline.
Kumdalapan pau di irang Pak SHNONG, nadu mention senam ya keba ke SHNONG, ngiju ya kenduk nak kapor dan perkhat ya kijingdon kam ki babun, hakabai dei bat ke SHNONG Mawlynrei. Habang ye keren syapam ka jingdon kam jong ki pai ba, lani kita ki development ki ba pair nashwa ban pensong ni kapor kidan kat tu kat ni ki development ki ba dan kambha ki ba ni ju ekren na kapor kata galong ko umbam umdi ka babet ka babyang ka bakhuy ba kinong SHNONG haba ki penun kam kanlong ka jingun toy nam ta jongki kanlong ka jingkur khu nam ta jongki ka lenti ka singkien ka surop ka babet ka babyang kataru kanlong ka we na ka jingdon kam ku ki pai ba ni don kam nangta ka kot ka kya ka bagi don kambha nangta ka education nangta ka jingpuli nangta ki khlung ki khna bagi students baper badan hapo SHNONG ni don kambha ban yarap iki school kumno ban nang khamla ban aji shakri ba kambha namta ki khna hali po school bakinlong kalawe namta ka ri ba ka jat nrio kumjoru nakamta ni juekren hakabide ba ka jing don kam ne se ban yo jirap habede kinong rap hangni po SHNONG kini di kimat kiba kongsan kiba ni juekren na kapor.
Deputy Chief Minister PRESTONE TYNSONG, while speaking on the JJM project, informed that till date 22% of the JJM scheme has been implemented, especially in rural areas. At the same time, the state government is targeting another 65% implementation of the same scheme in the near future, he added. In the meantime, TYNSONG expressed his gratitude to the family of Rilot Kharkongor and Lit Marbo for donating land for the construction of water tanks and installation of pipelines for the water supply project of the Jal Jeevan Mission. The Deputy Chief Minister also urged upon each resident to work together with the Dorbar SHNONG engineers, contractors and the government in order for the project to be executed in a smooth manner.
Bat kumju ngakwa ban kumtu kerpang ya ke komiti joge SHNONG. Hikailem yi ginong SHNONG. Balakum no katlong kan mumrang. La syai yang ai praklur tingka ban invest ya kene ka scheme. La se hadin si posnen. Karengat no kati ketulong kai kebanci. Dengan sumber ba ketulong dongin ya le sitom ban perdi kena. Ba lakum no kide kise ka klau ka petak. Kadai banton. Nang ba kanum terkong. Lani katu ketulong kan mengat pateng le ia kabade ndon kam ban le ban pensko bahaya no yanuru nei le ia kabade ba ka pateng kan yo ya ka jingkerku kata kabangi don menta nak liam jo ka surkajo lada sosi nesko bah mimla aban ong kumunu tambah habang yu baka day ka kamram jongi kesorka banle ya kata ko mo pi ninyat shakma badyo baka jela ka jongi ka sup ka sai baru baka jela ka jongi kandio ya ke jingkerku pateng la pateng ai ba uniu Mawlynrei ubangila bu a ka ni ka sni unlong un mau kordon ya ka SHNONG jong pi barokoi ei ka ba phiang mut ka ba phikwa kolong ban yo I ba ka roi ka pa ka tui ha ki SHNONG di thau ha ki constituency baru akajela jongi barokoi ngi kwa ngi amnut na kala sarkar ban tulong ya ka megala kum ka model state kenau bahai kata uchi pidista Ukraine ni kata ngar ku Ukraine ni kata ki prime minister jungi Ukraine mahai kata yang nut ban penkela ka model state hapo ka jela ke